Hello guys, welcome to our video tutorials. Our topic today is all about overview of heat transfer. So here's our sample problem. The roof of an electrically heated home is 6 meter long, 8 meter wide, and 0.25 meter thick, and is made of flat layer of concrete whose thermal conductivity is 0.8 watts per meter degrees Celsius. The temperatures of the inner and outer surfaces of the roof one night are measured to be 15 degrees Celsius and 4 degrees Celsius, respectively. For a period of 10 hours, determine the rate of heat loss through the roof that night. So, in order to answer this problem, we will use the formula Q is equal to the thermal conductivity times the area times the temperature 1 minus temperature 2 over the thickness. So putting up our values, 0.8, which is the thermal conductivity, and the area, since it is a rectangle, we will use the formula length times width. So 6 meter long and 8 meter wide. And our temperature 15 minus 4 over the thickness. So we have calculating this in our calculator, we will get the final answer for the rate of heat loss through the roof that night is equal to 1690 watts.